honestly, it doesn't always have to pan out when you see a tornado. You know, when you got the passion of storm chase, it's just every time you go out, it's amazing. It's incredible. You know, it's that adrenaline rush that, you know, when you have that drive, and I think Barry would agree.
Oh yeah.
You know, storm chases.
On the way there, your heart's racing, and when you finally get into it, it's just